Welcome to the Vantrue N4S Dash Cam First Time Use Guide. Let's unbox your N4S Dash Cam. For initial setup, you'll need. For installation, you'll need. Attach the GPS mount to the dash cam. Insert memory card. Connect one end of the USB cable to the GPS mount. Connect the other end to a stable power source. After powering on the dash cam, proceed with the first time setup. Select the appropriate language based on your region. Choose your current time zone. Continue pressing OK to accept default setting. Frequency will auto-adjust based on language and region. If using the dash cam in a different region, reconfigure the frequency based on the new region and time zone. Check whether the screen display is normal. Connect the rear cable to the rear camera. Insert the opposite end into the main dash cam port. The rear camera image will be displayed on the screen. Press the second button on the bottom left of the dash cam to switch to different lens images for viewing. Multiple recommended mounting positions exist for the dash cam. Select by local laws and personal preference. 2 wiring configurations available. Option 1, cigarette lighter power. With this setup, parking mode won't work once the engine is off. Scan the on-screen QR code for detailed installation steps. Save a screenshot for reference. Option 2, hardwire kit power. It's an optional accessory you need to buy separately. This setup lets the dash cam run parking mode even when the car is off. Scan the on-screen QR code for detailed installation steps. Save a screenshot for reference. Press the rightmost menu button to access settings. Here you can configure recording setup, system setup files. After starting the dash cam, just set it up according to the system default settings. Users with specific needs may customize settings based on personal preferences or after consulting customer support. Below, we'll walk you through 5 essential settings. Resolution selection. Resolution settings are listed from highest to lowest. The N4S defaults to 1440p. You may switch to maximum resolution as needed. After configuration, verify the current resolution in the top left corner of the live view screen. Plate Pix. For enhanced license plate capture, enable Plate Pix mode in video quality settings. This mode focuses specifically on the license plate, significantly strengthening its ability to capture license plate information. However, activating Plate Pix may result in an overall darker image. Please select this mode based on your specific usage scenario. Parking mode. To enable parking mode, the hardware kit must be installed first. There are 4 modes for your choice: collision detection, motion detection, low bitrate mode, low frame rate mode, voice control. This feature is enabled within the system settings. Voice content refer to the specific phrases used to operate voice control. Users should memorize the exact command for functionality, only then will it work smoothly. Correct commands such as take photo, turn off screen. It will be able to respond quickly. However, an incorrect command like take a photo will get no response from the dash cam. App connectivity. Download the corresponding version of the app on your phone. Once installed, enable phone location and Bluetooth. Speak turn on Wi-Fi to dash cam. Select dash cam's Wi-Fi in WLAN. Default password, 123456778. After successful connection, click on the file icon in the app interface. Select the SD card folder. Select the file you want to view. Then click the download button below. After successful download, click the sync button below to sync to your phone's photo albums. After successful synchronization, you can view the original HD files in your phone's photo albums. Return to the app home. Click the settings button in the upper right corner to access all dash cam settings. This concludes the entire content of the Vantrue N4S Quick Start Guide. To learn more about dashcam features, contact our official support team, support@vantrue.net.